guys, Donaka Katherine here. Today's video is just going to be an update on my Rosen skincare routine. I am starting, or I think this is the beginning of week 4. Like I said in the other video, they said that their results come best from 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm still not necessarily there yet, but I still wanted to give you guys an update since the last one I did was at the end of week 1. So like I said, I am starting week 4 today actually, and I think that overall it is helping my skin out. I haven't been the best about washing my face. I've been falling asleep a lot without doing that, so that is personally my fault. And I have to say that considering I've done that a couple of times, especially in this past week, my skin does not look bad, because normally if I miss even one skincare routine, be it a night or a morning, I'll experience a lot of acne flare up the next day. So I definitely still have some acne for sure, but I do feel that it is making my skin a little bit clearer. I don't get as many large breakouts as I used to, but I still do get them. But like I said before, it also has not been the full amount of time that I'm supposed to give it. As far as portions, I still have a pretty good amount of everything. I think maybe I was a little bit nervous about being able to keep it lasting for 4 weeks, so I skimped myself a little, but I have this much of the toner left. And then you can't necessarily see it. It's a little bit less than this line here. I'd say it's more like right there for the cleanser. The mud mask, I have a lot. Like that's not, I don't think that. And then I think I have about like half of this, of the moisturizer left. So I definitely will have some after the 4 weeks, I believe. But at the end of week 2, I went ahead and ordered another set of the skincare routine just so I would have it for weeks 5, 6, 7, and 8 to continue it on without having to take any breaks. Simply because they said that they were on back order and it would take about 2 to 3 weeks for it to ship, so I wanted it to be here when I needed it. So it didn't take as long as they told me it would, as usual. I love that about them. And this time I went ahead and I got the Max routine. With the Max routine, you get a Paloma serum, a breakout treatment, and an earth mask, which are 3 things you don't get in the mid. So this one's $70 and the mid is $55. But if you use my code DCAT504, you will be able to get the Max for the same price as the mid. So I definitely would suggest that you use my code so that you can get the bigger routine for the same price. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one because there's some products that we haven't seen yet. So this is the Breakout. It is a super simple, super effective paste for your bumps and breakouts. So it's one of those things that's supposed to be like a kind of like an overnight treatment, just to really focus on those specific acne bumps and get them away a little bit faster. So I'm excited to use that because I love when my acne goes away quickly. And then I have the Paloma serum. It's glycolic acid and white willow bark AHA BHA serum for scars and texture. I like that because I have all of that. Yes, scars and texture. Yay! Okay, and then I have the earth mask, which is fillers, earth clay, zinc oxide, and eucalyptus, a moisturizing mask for active breakouts. So I'm definitely excited about these 3 new extra things, and I'm also excited because that gives me a little bit more to show you guys. So I'm gonna wait until the whole 8 weeks is up to add the extra things into my routine. And hopefully I'll be able to give you guys some really good, really informative results. So I just wanted to let you guys know where I was as of right now. I do believe the routine is working, but like I said, I'm at the beginning of week 4, and they say it takes up to 8 weeks for you to get the best results. So I'm still waiting. I'm not expecting fully clear skin right now because my skin is very difficult to manage. But I do think that it's working. I do think I'll get there, and I'm very excited to try out those extra products for y'all. Make sure that you like this video. If you did, don't dislike it. Just leave me some constructive criticism in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications for surprise videos throughout the week, because as I said in my last video, I'm definitely going to be changing the way that I run this channel. So I want you guys to get subscribed, turn on those notifications so that you can stay up to date. All right, guys, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.